utilizing El-Hajj Malik El-Shabazz as a metaphorical prism, I've been able to connect the constellation of works within my practice to illustrate the nuances of Islam within the context of American and global culture. The Zuhur image, which features my mother as a subject, is an intellectual snapshot of a post-9/11 America and its complicated history with Muslims, and the practice of offering prayers in public spaces. It is crucial for me to engage and immerse myself in the complexity of a specific historical site. Uncovering some of the untold history of the plantations found in Savannah and the first Muslims that were brought here against their will is integral in understanding the makeup of an image like Maghrib, which features Imam Ibrahim offering salat there for the first time in a very long time. With this exhibition, my goal is to offer a branch of unexplored knowledge that helps uncover some old truths or connect some dots along the way.